want money! Stop.
Uy, mga pisos.
Yes.
Ay, good.
Wala. You Busconians want business? Come here. Stop my car. Stop my car.
Okay, class, today we discuss about our topic in science called plants. Now, anybody name me one plant you see in this environment? Vanessa, no talking.
Grass.
Very good. Just one. Abadia. Anybody?
Anybody?
Huh? Cactus? Where's the cactus? Oh, it's so far away. I can't see it. -1. Anybody? Oh, it's already time. Dismiss. Oh, and I forgot. You have an test tomorrow, an assignment about animals. Tomorrow we'll have a episode in Metro Manila. Everybody pay 150 for your ticket to go to Manila and pay an additional 200 for the entrance fee to the zoo. Thank you. Padagana. Dismiss! Run!
Bay, musta man ka, bay?
Kaya ba? Ikaw?
Mayroon po.
May tanay superhero ka?
Pili man ikaw.
Ano man?
Kay Busconian mo ka.
Ma'am, nagbus ko niyan to.
Kay buutan mo.
Aw. Igot. So good karon na nakay power na mahimo kag superhero. Basta usa ka kondisyon, bantayan ang Busconian, pahawaas sa mga gang, tabangas sa silang mga kuan, batonon, og kuan. Ayaw gid sa paingon bad words. Sige, ang mission nimo igot na musugod na karon. What
happened to me? My face.
Where's our money? Where's our money?
What do you mean?
Our money. Ikaw
Wait, stop!
What do you want?
Leave him alone.
If you want him, you should go through me first. You want to fight or me? You want to dead? The fight you want, huh?
Ouch!
Ang